Here's a 2018 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, front and rear parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.